Hello, my name is Joe Worth from Inacorp Limited, makers of the Fatal Vision Impairment Simulation Goggles and many other health and safety outreach tools. In this video, I will be explaining the 3 standard configurations of packages we've adopted for each of our lines of impairment simulation goggles. Those are the Program Kit, Event Kit, and Campaign Kits. One of the questions I frequently hear when speaking with our customers about our goggles is, what kit should I purchase? The answer is usually, well, it depends. The main goal with every Fatal Vision experience is to have the audience be as engaged as possible. The participatory nature of our tools enhances the audience's attention and increases the effectiveness of the lesson. The entry-level package for most of our product lines is called the Program Kit. If budget constraints is an issue, this kit provides the necessary components to deliver a foundational understanding of impairments. An event kit includes the items in a program kit and adds more activities to engage an audience. An event kit provides the instructor the opportunity to deliver a lesson in various ways using the multiple activities included. A campaign kit has everything an instructor needs to conduct a thorough and interactive lesson. It builds upon the program and event kits with additional activities to give multiple members in an audience an opportunity to participate. To illustrate the product progression in our kits, let's take a look at our concussion product line. The Concussion Program Kit offers 2 concussion goggles and 5 activities. This kit is ideal for classroom demonstrations. Students will experience a concussion's effect on balance and coordination as they try to walk in a straight line or try to catch a ball. They will also see how brain injuries can impact memory and concentration with the concussed activity game and accessories. The Concussion Event Kit builds upon the Program Kit by providing 3 goggles and 10 total activities. This package is great for instructing a larger group as they experience how concussion impacts memory and concentration, as well as a person's basic motor skills. The Concussion Campaign Kit gives the instructor all the tools necessary to perform multiple demonstrations. The 5 goggles and 15 activities make this package the right choice for organizations requiring training in large groups or in an office setting. Having a clear-cut objective for your presentation is paramount for implementing a safe and practical demonstration. We pride ourselves in our ability to find the best fit for our customers to accomplish their goals in educating their audiences. If you have any questions about which kit may be the best fit for you, please give us a call. You can reach us by calling our toll-free number at 800-272-5023.